So I bought a machine from Cartessa. It's the new EVO Q switch
Cool.
laser.
Right.
And I really stink at marketing. I just made my first payment and I've only started like 3 tattoo removals. So I just kind of want to focus in on that since we're not in laser season right now. I'd rather not be pushing photo facial and laser facial, but how
Sure.
do I draw in the masses of the tattoo removal and sell them package deals?
Okay, great question, my dear. Again, that's probably a 10,000 hour answer, but just as an FYI, on Louology.com, we've got about 30 videos that specifically answer your question. Each video is approximately anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. It breaks down somebody who doesn't have a marketing background or sales background. Here's how I get clients from social media. Here's how I get clients from text marketing. Here's how I get clients from email marketing. Here's how I get clients from writing organic blog content online, or here's how I get content spending a couple $100 a month on Google. It breaks down every form of marketing. You can kind of look at it and say, well, I don't want to do this, but I can see myself doing these 3 things. Each one's a 15-minute video. We break it down so simple. We dumb it down step by step. So that would be a detailed answer, but the summary answer is you got to become a marketing person. None of us are born a marketing person. None of us are born a salesperson, including myself. I figured out just through trial and error. So you got to pick a couple vehicles to market. And whether you choose social media or text or email or events, or you just got to find something that, make a list of the 15 ways to market. If you go on our website, Louology.com, you just take a peek at, each video has like a 1-minute intro, like a teaser. And if you watch the 1-minute intro of all 30 videos and you say, okay, I don't like these, but I can see myself doing these 4 things. Okay. Then, get rolling in that direction. You're welcome to, message me privately if it doesn't make sense to you, but that's step 1. You got to have a plan of how you're going to market and go down that road, knowing that you're going to stumble, you're going to fall, because it's going to take time, but also knowing this is a $16 billion industry. A zillion people have figured it out. You will too, regardless if you have no business or marketing background, but you got to be hungry to learn the information, to get your feet wet. It is scary. It's scary to go from the comfortable, the uncomfortable, from our, known stuff to the unknown, but that's the way you're going to thrive.
I've gone 3 years without a paycheck. So I'm 3
You're
years
ready.
in
You're ready to
business
make some money.
and I'm growing.
Yeah.
And I can't push through to that profit,
Well, press the restart button as if you're starting fresh. And you made a great decision to hone in on one thing. Just hone in on one thing, because it's easier for you to think about who do I need to connect with. And you can even, humor works too. So you can say, hey, say something big about your epiphany with, that you just say something big about your tattoo removal expertise. And then say, shout out to all divorce lawyers out there. Please call me if you have a client who regrets a tattoo. Just something funny. Just like, it helps a lot that you honed into one thing.